The universe is vast, beautiful, and utterly terrifying. Within the billions of galaxies out there, countless planets exist, some of them so extreme and hostile that they seem ripped straight from the pages of science fiction. These worlds remind us just how diverse and dangerous the cosmos can be, with conditions that make Earth feel like an oasis of calm in an otherwise brutal universe. Imagine a planet where razor-sharp glass rains from the sky, carried by winds faster than a speeding jet, or a world so dark it reflects almost no light, leaving its surface in eternal pitch blackness. These are not scenes from a movie, but real planets discovered by astronomers. In this video, we'll explore some of the most terrifying planets ever discovered. From planets being torn apart by their stars to those with oceans of molten lava, these worlds reveal the unimaginable extremes of the universe. WASP-12b is a planet locked in a fatal dance with its star. Located approximately 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Auriga, this gas giant is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter. It is similar in size to Jupiter, but that's where the similarities end. WASP orbits so close to its parent star that its complete orbit, lasts just 26 hours. This extreme proximity makes the planet a furnace, with temperatures exceeding 4,000 degrees Celsius, but the heat isn't the only thing that makes WASP terrifying. The intense gravitational forces exerted by its star are pulling the planet apart, siphoning its atmosphere into space. This process has turned WASP into a cosmic victim, with streams of gas forming a glowing disk around the star, a haunting reminder of its slow destruction. As the star consumes its planet, WASP is gradually shrinking. Astronomers estimate that in just 10 million years, a blink of an eye in cosmic terms, this planet will be completely gone, reduced to nothing but a faint ring of gas and dust. The sight of WASP being devoured is both fascinating and horrifying. It serves as a stark reminder of the violent forces at work in the universe, where even giant planets can be destroyed by the immense power of their stars. For any hypothetical observer on this planet, the skies would be filled with fiery destruction, a slow-motion apocalypse playing out on a cosmic scale. At first glance, HD 189733b might seem like a serene, Earth-like world. Its deep blue hue, visible in telescopic images, gives the impression of a tranquil planet similar to ours. But appearances can be deceiving. Located about 64 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, this exoplanet is anything but peaceful. HD is a gas giant, similar in size to Jupiter, with some of the most extreme and violent weather conditions ever observed. Winds on this planet rage at speeds exceeding 5,400 miles per hour, nearly 7 times the speed of sound. To put that in perspective, these winds are so powerful they could circle the Earth's entire equator in just a few hours. But the wind is only part of what makes HD so terrifying. Its atmosphere contains silicate particles that condense into molten glass. These particles are carried by the supersonic winds, creating rainstorms of razor-sharp molten glass that hurtle sideways across the planet's surface. This deadly combination of extreme winds and searing glass rain makes HD one of the most hostile places imaginable. The intense blue color of the planet is caused by the way its atmosphere scatters light, similar to why Earth's sky appears blue. But while Earth's blue skies are a symbol of life and calm, the blue of HD is a warning, It signifies a world dominated by chaos and destruction. This planet challenges our ideas of what a world can be. It's a place where the weather is so extreme it seems almost supernatural, a living nightmare that defies human comprehension. Located about 560 light-years away in the Draco constellation, Kepler 10b is a planet that could be mistaken for a scene out of a science fiction movie. This rocky exoplanet, slightly larger than Earth, is one of the most hellish worlds ever discovered. Its surface is dominated by molten lava, earning it the nickname the Lava World. Kepler orbits extremely close to its parent star, 20 times closer than Mercury is to the Sun. This proximity results in surface temperatures exceeding 2,500 degrees Celsius. The heat is so intense that rocks on the planet's surface vaporize, creating a thin, rocky atmosphere made of vaporized minerals. What makes Kepler even more horrifying is that it's tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet always faces the star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. On the day side, the molten surface churns and flows like a vast ocean of lava, glowing with fiery intensity. The night side, while cooler, is far from hospitable, with solidified lava crust and no respite from the planet's extreme gravity. The intense heat creates dynamic weather patterns where vaporized rock from the day side may drift into the atmosphere, condense, and rain back down as molten droplets on the cooler regions. It's an endless cycle of fiery destruction. Kepler stands as a stark reminder of how alien and hostile other planets can be. Unlike Earth, where molten lava is confined to volcanic regions, this entire planet is a smoldering, liquid inferno. It's the ultimate vision of a world that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Gliese 1214b, located just 48 light-years away in the Ophiuchus constellation, is often referred to as a water world. But unlike the tranquil blue oceans we know on Earth, this planet's relationship with water is anything but inviting. In fact, Gliese is one of the most inhospitable planets discovered so far. Roughly 2.7 times the size of Earth, this exoplanet is classified as a mini Neptune. It likely contains vast amounts of water, but the conditions on the planet transform this otherwise life-giving element into something terrifying. The atmosphere is dense and composed largely of superheated steam, with surface temperatures reaching up to 280 degrees Celsius. Combined with pressures over 1,000 times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure, the environment on Gliese would boil and crush anything that attempted to land there. What's even more fascinating and horrifying is that water on Gliese exists in exotic states due to the extreme temperature and pressure. Scientists believe that supercritical water, a state where water acts as both a liquid and a gas, dominates this planet's environment. This creates a suffocating atmosphere that is toxic and far removed from the conditions necessary for life as we know it. The concept of a water world might initially sound intriguing or even hopeful, but Gliese shatters that illusion. It serves as a chilling reminder that even familiar substances like water can become alien and deadly under the right conditions. This planet is a testament to the universe's capacity for extremes, a world that challenges our understanding of habitability and highlights the vast diversity of planets in the cosmos. Gliese 2b is a planet that redefines the concept of darkness. Located about 750 light-years away in the Draco constellation, this gas giant holds the title of the darkest known planet in the universe. It's so dark that it reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it blacker than coal. The reason for Tres' eerie blackness lies in its atmosphere. Unlike planets like Jupiter, whose clouds reflect sunlight, Tres' atmosphere absorbs almost all incoming light. It is composed of chemicals like titanium oxide and vaporized sodium, which trap heat and light rather than scattering or reflecting it. Despite being so close to its star, closer than Mercury is to the Sun, TRES remains cloaked in near-total darkness. However, this planet isn't entirely invisible. Its surface temperature exceeds 1,800 degrees Celsius, and this extreme heat causes it to emit a faint red glow, like the embers of a dying fire. This creates a haunting contrast, a world shrouded in darkness, faintly glowing with the heat of its proximity to its star. The thought of a planet so completely devoid of light is unsettling. Imagine standing on its surface, enveloped in a black void with no stars, no sunlight, and no visible features, just the faint red hue of a burning atmosphere. It's a chilling vision of a world where light itself seems to vanish. TRES is a vivid reminder of how alien and extreme the universe can be. It challenges our understanding of planetary atmospheres and demonstrates the vast range of possibilities for what a planet can look like. Orbiting a pulsar PSRB 1257 plus 12c is a planet that exists in one of the most hostile environments imaginable. Located approximately 2,300 light-years away in the Virgo constellation, this planet orbits a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star that emits intense beams of radiation. Pulsars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae, leaving behind incredibly dense cores. These dead stars rotate at astonishing speeds, emitting beams of electromagnetic radiation like cosmic lighthouses. For any planet orbiting such an object, the environment is as deadly as it is fascinating. PSRB, along with 2 other planets in the system, was likely formed from the remains of a destroyed star. This means the planet's very existence is the result of violent cosmic destruction. The pulsar bombards the planet with deadly levels of radiation, rendering it utterly uninhabitable. The surface of PSRB would be a desolate wasteland, constantly exposed to bursts of gamma rays, X-rays, and high-energy particles. Any atmosphere it might have once had would have been stripped away by the pulsar's relentless energy. What remains is a barren, irradiated world, a stark reminder of how unforgiving the universe can be. Despite its horrifying environment, PSRB holds a special place in the history of astronomy. It was one of the first exoplanets ever discovered, proving that planets could exist beyond our solar system. Its discovery opened the door to an entirely new field of study, but it also showed us how diverse and terrifying planets in the universe can be. This is a planet shaped by violence, existing in a place where survival is not just improbable, it's impossible. PSRB is a vivid example of the extreme conditions the cosmos can create, where even the idea of life is out of the question. The universe is full of wonders, but it's also full of terrors. From WASP, a planet being torn apart by its own star, to PSRB, a world enduring relentless radiation from a pulsar, these planets showcase the extremes of cosmic reality. Each of these worlds, whether it's raining molten glass, glowing with lava, or shrouded in impenetrable darkness, offers a glimpse into the harsh and alien environments that exist beyond our solar system. They remind us of how unique and precious Earth is, a planet that sustains life in a cosmos filled with such unforgiving extremes. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows what other horrifying planets we might discover? These worlds challenge our understanding of habitability and push the boundaries of what we know about the cosmos. What do you think? Could there be even stranger and more terrifying planets waiting to be found? Join us next time as we explore more mysteries of the universe.